Hey barbecue fans, Sky here from Rick's Review Hub. Want to smoke mouth-watering brisket or ribs right in your kitchen? Today we're firing up the GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker, a game-changing appliance that brings wood-fired flavor indoors. Curious if it's your ticket to pitmaster status? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's get smoking. First, let's break down the features. This 1,550-watt countertop smoker uses wood pellets for authentic flavor, with active smoke filtration to keep your kitchen smoke-free. It offers 6 presets for brisket, pork ribs, pork butt, chicken wings, chicken breast, and salmon, plus a custom mode. 5 smoke levels let you dial in flavor intensity, and the SmartHQ app with Wi-Fi lets you control time, temperature, and monitor cooking via a probe. It fits up to 3 racks of ribs, a 14-pound pork butt, or 40 wings with a water-filled waste bin for easy cleanup. The sleek black design includes a counter guard to protect your kitchen. Now the pros. This smoker is a revelation. I smoked a pork butt for 8 hours and it came out tender with a nice bark and subtle smoky flavor. Perfect for pulled pork sandwiches. The presets make it beginner-friendly and the app's alerts let me check progress from my phone. It's quiet, doesn't set off smoke alarms, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe racks. At around $1,000, it's a premium pick for year-round BBQ without needing a backyard. But there are cons. The price is steep, and larger cuts like brisket need to be halved to fit. Some users report mild smoke flavor compared to outdoor smokers, and a few noted pellet jams or minor smoke leaks if not maintained. The app can be glitchy, and you'll need to keep pellets and water topped up for long cooks, so plan ahead. I recommend the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker for BBQ lovers in apartments or those wanting hassle-free indoor smoking. It's ideal for small gatherings or beginners, but serious pitmasters with outdoor space might prefer a traditional smoker for stronger flavor. This one's a fantastic option for most urban BBQ fans. Ready to smoke like a pro? Click the link in the description to grab the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews cooking. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Let's keep the BBQ sizzling.